Homophones Lesson, Part 2, Mastering English. Capital, capital. A capital is a chief city or primary letter. A capital is a legislative building. Deer, deer. Deer means loved or valued. A deer is a woodland animal. Die, die. To die is to stop living. To die is to change the color of something. Fair, fair. Fair, just, light, festival, versus fair, cost. Flower, flower. Flower, baking, versus flower, blossom. Hole, hole. Hole, opening, versus hole, entire. Hour, hour, 60 minutes, versus hour, possession. Here, 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 listen, versus. Here, location. Night, night. Night, warrior, versus night, darkness. Not, tied loop, versus not, negation. No, no. No, knowledge, versus no, negative. Male, male. Correspondence versus gender. Meet, meet. Encounter versus food. One. Number one versus the past tense of win. Pale, pale. Bucket versus light colored. Peace, peace. Calmness versus apart. Pear, pear. Two items versus fruit. Rain, rain. Precipitation versus rule. Right, right. Correct direction versus to record. Road, road. Street versus past tense of ride. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.